1. 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air Sport Coupe. Price: $90,000. Located Waterford, Michigan. This 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air Sport Coupe is a professionally built hot rod that blends iconic Tri-5 styling with serious performance upgrades. Originally from Oklahoma, this Bel Air features a Curry 9-inch Ford rear end paired with an Art Morrison ladder bar setup and strange coilovers, delivering exceptional strength and traction. The front suspension includes tubular A-arms, 2-inch drop spindles, sway bar, and QA1 coilovers, creating a balanced stance and confident handling. An aluminum fuel cell, Fram fuel filter, air-equipped fuel lines, and transmission cooler with fans support the high-performance drivetrain. Power comes from a Chevrolet 383-stroker engine fitted with Dart Pro 1 Big 202 heads and topped with a 671 blower system using dual Demon 750 double pumper carburetors. Supporting components include Edelbrock and Holley hardware, MSD ignition, Hedman headers, aluminum radiator with dual fans, and a fresh turbo 350 automatic transmission with shift kit and 3000 stall converter. Inside, the car retains a stock style black and gray interior enhanced with auto meter gauges and AB and M shifter. Finished in Corvette white with Boyd wheels and BF Goodrich performance tires. This Bel Air delivers both show quality presence and serious street performance, making it a standout classic American hot rod. 2. 1932 Ford Hot Rod. Price: $21,000. Located Paducah, Kentucky. This 1932 Ford Hot Rod is a classic street rod built for pure driving enjoyment. Featuring a lightweight fiberglass body, this iconic early 30s coupe captures the timeless look that made 1932 Fords legendary among hot rod enthusiasts. Under the hood sits a strong 351 Cleveland V8 engine paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission, delivering reliable power and smooth shifting for cruising or spirited acceleration. With only 1,500 miles shown on the current setup, this hot rod has seen limited use and remains in very good overall condition. The exterior is finished in a bold orange paint that highlights its vintage curves and aggressive stance, while the black interior provides a clean and simple cockpit focused on driving pleasure. The vehicle carries a clean title and is fully paid off, offering peace of mind to the next owner. This 1932 Ford is described as fun to drive, reflecting the lightweight construction and responsive V8 performance that define traditional hot rods. It presents an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a turnkey classic that combines nostalgic styling with dependable modernized mechanical components. 3. 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air. Price: $34,000. Located Mt. Juliet, TN. This 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air Gasser is a classic American show car with authentic vintage drag styling. Featuring an original body with minimal rust noted in the trunk area, this Bel Air retains much of its factory character while embracing the elevated nose stance and performance attitude associated with traditional gasser builds. It has been garage kept and maintained carefully, preserving its overall condition and presentation. Powered by a manual transmission setup, this 1955 Bel Air offers an engaging driving experience that connects the driver directly to the car's classic performance roots. The exterior is finished in blue with a black interior, creating a timeless color combination that complements the iconic mid-50s Chevrolet design. With 111,111 miles shown, the car reflects years of enjoyment while still remaining ready for local shows and cruise events. Described as ready for shows, this Bel Air stands out with its bold presence and nostalgic drag racing influence. It is an ideal choice for collectors or enthusiasts who appreciate the unmistakable style of a properly built gasser and want a fun, attention-grabbing classic that celebrates 1950s American performance culture. 4. 1932 Ford 5-window coupe. Price: $54,000. Located Tulsa, Oklahoma. This 1932 Ford 5-window coupe hot rod is a finished and fully sorted build that combines traditional early Ford styling with modern performance engineering. Powered by a strong 383-stroker V8, the engine is equipped with Edelbrock dual quad carburetors, delivering impressive throttle response and classic hot rod character. The drivetrain is paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission and a durable 9-inch Curry rear end, ensuring smooth cruising and dependable power delivery. The chassis is built on a Pete and Jake's boxed frame, providing structural strength and improved ride stability. Stainless Hushmaster exhaust enhances the deep V8 tone, while polished Wilwood disc brakes offer confident stopping performance. The car is also equipped with air conditioning and an integrated sound system, blending vintage appearance with modern comfort. The black exterior is complemented by a custom black vinyl interior with green piping accents. The body is chopped 3.5 inches and constructed from steel-reinforced fiberglass, giving it an aggressive stance. With only 3,436 miles and a clean Oklahoma title, this coupe is show-ready and garage-kept, offering collectors a high-quality classic hot rod ready to drive and enjoy. 5. 1936 Chevrolet 1500 Extended Cab Short Bed. Price: $16,700. Located Bloomington, Illinois. This 1936 Chevrolet 1500 Extended Cab Short Bed truck is a classic pre-war pickup upgraded with dependable modern drivetrain components. Powered by a 354-bolt main V8 engine paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission, this truck offers reliable performance suitable for cruising or weekend shows. The rear end is a 9-inch Ford with 3.73 gears and a spool, providing strength and traction for spirited driving. The suspension features coilovers and Wilwood brakes, enhancing both ride control and stopping capability. Finished in black with a matching black interior, the truck presents a clean and aggressive look while maintaining its vintage body lines. With 99,000 miles shown, it remains in solid driving condition and is described as running great. This 1936 Chevrolet blends classic truck styling with proven small block power and modernized mechanical upgrades. It represents an affordable entry into the hot rod truck scene, offering a unique extended cab configuration and strong V8 performance in a timeless American platform. 6. 1940 Chevrolet Business Coupe. Price: $32,000. Located Flat Rock, Alabama. This 1940 Chevrolet Business Coupe is a beautifully built all-steel classic that combines timeless pre-war styling with modern street rod comfort and reliability. Powered by a tuned port-injected 305 V8 engine paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission, this coupe delivers smooth acceleration and dependable cruising performance. The drivetrain setup makes it ideal for highway driving, while maintaining the traditional character of a vintage Chevrolet. The car is equipped with power 4-wheel disc brakes and power steering, providing confident handling and stopping ability. Vintage air climate control ensures comfortable driving in warmer conditions, while additional upgrades such as keyless entry, remote start, and electric windows add modern convenience rarely found in vehicles of this era. It rides on American Racing 16-inch wheels, giving it a clean and balanced stance that complements the classic body lines. The interior is well finished and thoughtfully upgraded, blending custom touches with period-inspired styling. With its steel body construction and strong mechanical setup, this 1940 Chevrolet is ready for cruising, shows, or weekend drives. It represents a solid opportunity for collectors seeking a classic coupe that delivers both nostalgic design and updated drivability. 7. 1932 Ford 3-Window Coupe. Price: $32,000. Located Battle Creek, Michigan. This 1932 Ford 3-Window Coupe is a newly built hot rod offering classic early 30s styling combined with dependable small block performance. Powered by a 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, this coupe provides smooth and reliable driving characteristics suited for both local cruising and car shows. The build reflects a fresh project with modern upgrades while retaining the unmistakable silhouette that made the 1932 Ford legendary among hot rod enthusiasts. The car features power windows for added convenience and an 8-inch Ford rear end to handle the V8 power effectively. Its exterior presents a traditional hot rod stance, while the interior is designed for comfortable driving without sacrificing classic appeal. As a new build, it offers the benefit of updated components and refreshed condition compared to older restorations. Located in Battle Creek, Michigan, this 1932 Ford three-window coupe represents an accessible entry into the iconic early Ford hot rod market. With a straightforward and proven drivetrain combination, clean presentation, and strong classic character, it is well suited for enthusiasts seeking a ready-to-enjoy custom coupe with timeless American style. 8. 1930 Ford Model A. Price: $19,500. Located Amarillo, Texas. This 1930 Ford Model A is a distinctive steel-bodied hot rod featuring a chopped and channeled frame and body that give it an aggressive custom stance. Powered by a 327 small-block Chevy engine paired with a 350 turbo automatic transmission, this build delivers dependable V8 performance combined with smooth shifting characteristics. The drivetrain conversion transforms the classic Model A into a reliable street rod, suitable for regular cruising and weekend events. The chassis is upgraded with rack and pinion steering, improving handling response compared to the original setup. Additional features include power windows and a radio, blending vintage styling with modern convenience. The car does not have heat or air conditioning, maintaining a straightforward hot rod character focused on simplicity and performance. Finished in brown, this Model A presents a unique look that stands out at local shows and cruise nights. It runs well and drives confidently, though it may require minor attention in certain areas, reflecting typical classic vehicle ownership. With a clean title in the seller's name, this 1930 Ford offers enthusiasts an affordable entry into early American hot rod culture with classic steel body authenticity and upgraded small block power. 9. 1955 Buick Special. Price: $9,850. Located Purcell, Oklahoma. This 1955 Buick Special is a clean and well-maintained mid-50s classic that captures the bold styling and presence of the era. With 55,000 miles shown and a clean title, this vehicle is described as having no significant damage or mechanical problems. Powered by a gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission, it offers a traditional driving experience that reflects authentic 1950s motoring character. Finished in burgundy, the exterior showcases the distinctive chrome accents and sweeping body lines that made Buick a respected name during the golden age of American automobiles. The overall presentation suggests a solid and cared-for car, ideal for weekend cruising, local shows, or continued preservation. This Buick Special represents an affordable opportunity to own a genuine mid-century classic from a period when American manufacturers emphasized bold design and comfortable ride quality. Fully paid off and ready for a new owner, it stands as a straightforward and honest example of 1950s Buick craftsmanship, appealing to collectors seeking originality and timeless style. 10. 1946 Ford F1. Price: $34,000. Located Wesley, Arkansas. This 1946 Ford F1 is a beautifully restored and upgraded classic pickup that blends post-war styling with dependable modern performance. Powered by a Ford 351 engine paired with an automatic transmission, this truck remains all Ford throughout its drivetrain, offering strong and reliable V8 power. With only 1,256 miles reported since completion, it reflects a fresh build ready for regular driving or show presentation. Finished in a bold orange exterior with a gray interior, this F1 stands out with its clean lines and timeless truck design. The suspension has been upgraded with a Mustang 2 front end, improving steering response and ride comfort. Equipped with power disc brakes, power steering, air conditioning, and heat, the truck offers convenience features that make it comfortable for long cruises and highway travel. Described as a very nice truck that you can get in and drive anywhere, this 1946 Ford F1 represents a balance of classic character and practical drivability. Fully paid off and well-maintained, it appeals to collectors and enthusiasts seeking a vintage pickup that combines traditional style with upgraded mechanical reliability and comfort. 11. 1972 Volkswagen Beetle Convertible. Price: $10,000. Located Independence, Missouri. This 1972 Volkswagen Beetle Convertible is a custom-built Super Beetle that delivers classic German design with unique hot rod personality. Powered by a 1600 dual-port engine and paired with a manual transmission, it offers the engaging driving experience that made the Beetle an international icon. With 97,000 miles shown and a clean title, this vehicle is reported to have no significant damage or rust. Finished in red, this Beetle features extensive custom work including a chopped top, shaved door handles, and custom roadster-style removable tops secured with 5 bolts. It incorporates creative styling elements such as 1947 to 1953 Chevrolet bed and tail lights, along with a louvered hood and tailgate for added visual impact. Recent maintenance includes a new battery, ignition coil, fuel pump, and carburetor, ensuring dependable starting and smooth running performance. Garage kept and described as starting, running, and driving well. This custom 1972 Volkswagen Beetle turns heads at shows and cruise events. It represents an affordable and distinctive classic convertible with personalized craftsmanship and unmistakable vintage appeal.